Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to go ahead and create my testimonial page and I'll be taking you guys along on the journey.
Let's do this.
Testimonial page. Reviews. Put review somewhere. It says anti-my too much, so maybe I'll remove all this and just say reviews. Customer love stories. I'm gonna write customer success stories then. Wow, that looks pretty clean. That looks pretty clean. Maybe a bit tacky. I need something that's, maybe I'll put down the opacity. That's what I can do. That's nicer already. Wow. Wow, yeah, that's perfect. That's why I sort of model after success. By looking at Sam Oven's review page, I'm able to go ahead and get inspiration for what I'll do. That's why I like to model after success. Not copy them, but see what they're doing and model after it. Yeah, and that's me going ahead and creating my testimonial page live with you guys. So hopefully those who are at this stage and watching content like this is able to take some inspiration from what I'm doing. And basically the biggest advice is model after success. If you want to work with me one-on-one, sign up for my mentorship application below. I'll be able to take you through exactly what I did one-on-one, helping you particularly with your individual needs. Other than that, I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, drop a like below. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop in the comments below. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.